East Huntingdon Street. I just half block from front. It is a quiet and residential area. I'm here to show you one bedroom unit in this building. It is a 3-story building. There are 3 units in this building, and I'm here to show you some of them today. This is what the outside looks like. All right, let's get in. As I open, this is the hallway for the 3 units. You take the first unit. I would like to show you is a 1-bedroom unit. Here on my right, there is also another unit. I will show you in a minute on the next level. And the first unit I would like to show you is unit 2. There is 1 unit down, unit 1. This is unit 2. As you walk in to the unit 2, you have this nice, beautiful hardwood floor, high ceiling. You have recessed lights, and this is your living area. As you walk into your right, on your left, you have your bedroom. Very nice size bedroom, and your bathroom will be inside your bedroom. Let's see what the living room looks like first. Here is your living space. You have open kitchen here, a nice size living space. You have 2 windows for a natural light. In a kitchen, you have a refrigerator, electric oven and cooktop, and you also have cabinet space, a range hood, and a microwave in the unit. For the heat, you have this electric board. All right, then I go to the bedroom. It is a nice size bedroom. You have 1 window for a natural light. Actually, there is a heavy curtain on the window, so not all the light are coming in, but still it's very bright. It's a lot of natural light to your bedroom. Over here you see a closet space. The door of the closet space is coming out. It will be put back before the tenant moves in. You have this nice size closet space. This is the size of your bedroom. Over there you have your bathroom. In a bathroom you also have window for a fresh air. You have your sink. You have a toilet, mirror, and the stall shower here. It's nicely designed stall shower. Nice. Right. This is what unit 2 looks like. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the place. Thank you for watching. This is your view from your living room. This is the size. Thank you. Bye.